this song. Do you know this singer, Drake?
Listen to you, Bonnie. You're on top of it. Drake.
Well, you know, I saw it on Karen's iTunes when I was cleaning her room. Lord knows, if I didn't clean her room, no one would.
Oh my God. Every day I ask Michael, just take out the garbage. It smells like something died in there.
I know, that's the least he can do.
Oh my God. Would you listen to us?
I know. What have we been here 5 minutes? We're already talking about the kids?
What kids?
I know!
Stop it, too. Cool place.
Oh my goodness. Cool.
Oh, I love it.
Cool. That's cool.
Ooh, that is cool.
Cool painting. Oh my goodness. Oh, have you seen my latest blog post?
Oh my God, look at you with your blog. You are doing it.
Well, listen, I couldn't let Karen be the only one in the family with a blog.
Oh my God, is she still updating my big fat stupid motherfucking idiot mom Tumblr?
Yeah. Told her it didn't make me feel very good about myself.
That's the way it goes.
Oh, it does. And it hurts and it hurts and it hurts. Oh my God. Ah, Denise, pop quiz.
Uh-oh.
Who's got 4 thumbs and can't stop talking about their kids?
Oh my God, I think I know the answer. Is it you and me?
Boom, boom, boom. Ding, ding, ding. You won.
I won. Did I win a prize?
Yes, you won.
Oh, great. Oh, God.
Okay, the next one to talk about a kid is buying drinks. I swear to God.
Deal.
Let's have some fun.
Yeah, I mean, it's just been so long since I've been out of the house.
Oh,
you know?
I know. It's like we're afraid to have a life. Yes, we're moms or something.
You know what else I'm afraid of? Michael writing "fuck you" in blood on my vanity mirror. It's very unsettling to me. It feels wrong somehow.
It hurts. Oh, you know what? Drinks are on the both of us because we cannot stop talking about the gosh darn kids.
Shut your mouth about it.
Stop it! Shut up!
Shut up.
Bartender, can we get her some more white Zinfandel, please? For the love of God!
Make it a box of white. You're bad.
You're bad.
I haven't seen you ladies here before, you grad students.
Yeah. How'd you know we're grad students, right?
Yeah, totally.
Oh God.
What happened to your hand?
What?
Your hand?
Oh, this.
Yeah.
This little puppy. That's nothing. My son just bit me.
Oh, that's cute. How old is he?
He's 24 years old. Do you really think we look like grad students?
Yup. And guess what I'm going to do my dissertation on?
Uh-oh.
This little sweet thing over here. I'm going to get my little study. Yeah.
You're one sexy dancer.
Oh, thank you. Stop it. You know who danced so sexy she got herself pregnant? My daughter.
You know, it's funny. It seems like women our age, all they can talk about is their kids.
Oh, not me. I don't have any kids.
That's right.
I can't imagine somebody as young as you having a daughter.
Oh, can you imagine someone as young as me finding a dead fetus in my favorite Tupperware with a note that says, "This is all your fault"?
And if I did have a son, he's definitely never murdered anyone. So.
Okay.
And he's definitely never threatened to hunt down and murder me if I ever told.
Yeah, Bonnie Stevenson, I got a phone call.
That's me. Don't
Yep.
go anywhere. Okay.
Hey, you know, if you don't have any kids yet, I wouldn't start. Sometimes I feel like the only one that loves me in that house is the DOG.
Oh, word to the wise. Don't say it out loud or your son will electrocute the DOGP.
Denise? What? We gotta go.
Oh my God. Bonnie, what happened?
They found my daughter's body.
Oh my God. Oh my God, Bonnie, where?
Inside of your son's stomach.
Oh